Hi, welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to filter in within the graphs in terms of range of the data. For example, we have the scatter plot here, and there are too many observations scattered at one point, and there are some set of values on the one side, but you need to consider them as outlier, and you need to focus on the cluster. So what you can do is click on the graph and select the values and create a scatter plot that we already discussed in previous videos. Then what you can do is come here and add a zoom slider. So with this zoom slider, what you can do now is you can filter out the outliers from the left side so that you can expand the scatter plot this way. And if you see there is empty space on the top, you can filter from that side to this way. You can highlight the patterns of a scatter plot within the specific cluster, and you can see some dots here showing that there is a data on the left hand side available. So this way you can use a zoom cluster, and this is already applied on this graph too, so you can just reduce the scale so that they are readable. Further, when you have two line graphs and one of them has smaller scale, what you can do is you can move that into secondary y-axis, and then in the secondary y-axis you can go there and add a zoom slider for that secondary y-axis also. So you can reduce the scale for the secondary y-axis, and so that the change is highlighted, and from the primary y-axis you can also change the scale to highlight its change. So this way the differences or marginal changes are highlighted. So this is the function of zoom slider that we focused on this video. Thank you very much for watching.